Hello everyone. Today, for Thanksgiving, we wanted to bring to you our recent product that is 100% on cloud and provides best web hosting, web development, as well as domain purchase as of now, along with EI for the right price that competes with any other platform out there, right? So which is why I wanted to make this like a demo session so that you all could kind of share with your friends and come to this platform to purchase your, not just purchase your domain, but also purchase your website. And I'll also go over the package that provides that where we can help you in the website development instead of you doing all the hard work. So please like, subscribe, share the channel, and share this video with anybody who is like a small business owner, wants to build a website, or wants to have the right hosting with the benefits of cloud. And if somebody doesn't know what one of the benefits of cloud compared to the shared hosting, please drop in a comment and we'll update you on any questions that you may have. This is where we see that we have this page, and CloudMySite is the one that you could come. The URL is cloudmysite.com. This is the landing page. You could come here that you would be getting, like, this is only special offer for me for Thanksgiving, 55% off. What I'll suggest is you make use of this offer and go about checking it. But just to provide a little bit of overview with the landing page, and I'll come back to this particular pricing. So our core features are we provide, obviously we are all 100% cloud. We provide high performance, low latency. We have tested our product to ensure it is optimal performance. It is cost effective hosting solution for the right price. At this pricing you will not be getting for any of the other popular ones out there for cloud as well as for virtual private server, which is VPS. High availability and reliability cloud. We know it has such a high availability, and that is one of the benefits we're offering. We didn't want to be in the business of shared hosting or other data centers, which is where this is a special pricing. Security and compliance, that is there. We have not just encryption in transit, but encryption at rest as well. Even the data that is stored on the disks or your data, you only will have access to it. We don't have access to it, and that is where we have those as encrypted as well. There's going to be scalability, flexibility, and of course our support is there. You could reach us anywhere. You could reach us via chat. You could reach us via the email that we have, and of course, right, we'll be helping you in any issues that you have. But pretty as this is on cloud, there should be next to no issues that you're running into. Obviously, we provide fast and secure cloud hosting. Business email is another one, and that's something that we'll be kind of announcing in the subsequent weeks. But if you purchase a domain, you will be getting the business email as part of that instead of any other Gmail or any other. So if you have a small business, do look into this feature. It will provide you a lot of benefit option. Static website hosting, it's something that we still need to package. But if you reach out to us and you're interested in the static website hosting, we could provide you a customized, tailored option for this particular package. There's custom website development and online store migration. We will migrate your online store. And of course, selecting the domain name. And the pricing and plans. This is the pricing and plans. I'll go away to the next page. But like any questions you may have, you could come here, ask the questions, and not just this. You could contact us. You could put in the FAQ. We'll get back to you. And why choose us? This is an important one. Now, obviously, any customer, they will want to have that, okay, why should I go with you, right? What is the benefit you are offering me compared to the others? And I'll make a separate comparison video, so please drop in a comment if you are interested in the separate comparison video. But for this purpose, one of the things that we will be pointing you is the data migration. If you have any data, you could kind of migrate from your existing setup that you have. We'll do a seamless transition, so you not only just get a lower price, but also get the benefits of cloud as well. The DDoS protection, which is distributed denial of service attacks. In case you have a website, one of attackers could bring your website down. We have provisions in place to ensure your website is up and running. Data security, of course, as I said, that is one of the few mentions, apart from the basic ones, which is price is good, price is less than the existing ones. The features that we provide, something I'll go over. And please subscribe to our newsletter. This is where you could kind of get latest tips and updates on, as well as promotions on our latest stuff. Testimonials, you could check out what our customers says about our services and products. And who do we partner with? This is our partner list. Now, this was the landing page. I just wanted to do a quick overview before we get into the product part as well as the different section. Now, we have 3 separate tiers as of now. I'll go with each one. But just to show you, we have the web hosting, and you can come here to this link and compare us. I won't get into this for today, because I just wanted to focus on this particular packages that we have, and we'll go into that. But there are the links about us. You could come to the about page here and see who we are, what are we structured, the 10 years we are in business, any questions. The privacy support aspect is something we can see. Blogs, reach out to us for blogs, and you can always contact us. Feel free to reach us at TinyDemco at a phone number, and also you could search the pages that are there. Now, with this said, let us go to this particular landing zone pricing, and this Black Friday discount. It is only going to be there for the next 4 days and 12 hours, right? So please make use of it to ensure that you have the right pricing. If I come here, if you see the regular pricing is going to be $15, $16 per month, which is still a lot lesser for cloud than these other popular providers are offering you. But just for Black Friday, we have the special incentive of $7 per month. So that is where what you could see, and this is for the web starter. Our recommendation is you should go with the e-commerce launchpad. It is not just for e-commerce, but also for other businesses that would kind of have a better performance, reliability, as well as high traffic e-commerce sites, or even it could apply for the low traffic startups as well. The other one for the enterprise customers you could look into is e-commerce powerhouse, which is ideal for high traffic e-commerce. Like if you have a shopping site that you anticipate high traffic, we will be observing your site. We will have auto scaling in place. So if you're, say for Thanksgiving or Christmas, your site has high traffic, we will be auto scaling to ensure your site doesn't come down or doesn't have a poor performance. And just to provide a little bit of overview about what these packages are, which is like Essential Web Starter. It's a build for you custom. Like this is where we'll be providing the website in 7 days. And there's going to be a free domain and unlimited SSL certificate is part of it. You will be getting a free email address as part of it, as well as 2 custom domain email addresses that are per your personal email address. So you will be getting one email address with the yourbusiness.com and 2 other email addresses. You could kind of use this particular domain, but you will not get a mailbox, but rather these emails will go to your personal inbox. But if you want more than 1, if you want 5, you could choose the second packet, which is the e-commerce launchpad. And then if you want more than 5, which is right, you could kind of reach out to us, and this is where you'll be getting more than this option. And you could see that a lot of the features we provide. There's the unmetered DDoS protection. There is the speed, brain, faster website. We provide VT backups for you, development mode enabled. So a lot of features you see. I don't think any other company provides a ton of these features that we are providing to you. So please check it out and let us know if any comments that you have. But now say I choose, I want to go with the standard one, which is the $14 option. You will come in this particular page. Now here you could see you could choose your domain, which is .com, .flick, the other ones, and obviously these are the ones that we will be providing. But if you want to just purchase a domain, you could directly come in here and choose the other ones. Obviously the other ones which are like info, it's more expensive. So this is not going to be part of the custom domain, that the free domain that you'll be getting as part of purchasing the package. This is something, it will be charged additional. Like this one, .io, if you want to purchase, this will be additional. But the .com, the standard domains that you have, these ones, you could get it for it's going to be a free as part of your purchase of the package. And you see that we have a lot of domains over here. And if I come here, you could see that there's a lot of FAQs that you could see. Any questions, you could have this FAQ section enabled. So now this is the screen I will be getting. I could choose these domains that are available. And if you see down, there are other domains as well to choose. But if you want, you could also come here, choose with AI, provide your information, and click generate. It will provide you the suggestions. Like if I have to give that, and then if you hit generate, it will provide you the domain suggestions you could look into. So you could see this, Breward Place, and all these options. You could choose one of these, select, and it should, you could check domain availability and see if it's available. But I don't want to use that because I will be purchasing a domain, for which let me choose this way, and let me choose .net. And let's see if this domain is available. Okay, great. So this domain is available. So what I do is I'll hit select, and this is just a demo, and this is the payment that is being done. So I will, because I don't want to make the large payment, but ideally what you would want to do, if you want a free domain, you should be going with the 48-month. Otherwise, if you go with the lesser one, the domain may not be there, right? So at least for 1 month it's not there. And also, compared to the other hosting providers, with the providers, we provide global deployment, and we are pretty transparent about that. We wouldn't just say we deploy in US because of data compliance and data residency requirements. This is where you get an option to choose where you want your website to be deployed. If you want it in London or any other location, you could kind of go and choose from here. So let me just choose Seoul for now, right? Just assuming that there's some customer base in Seoul, and the coupon, this wouldn't be applied, but you could kind of go ahead and choose it and hit checkout. Yeah, so now if you hit checkout, you could choose either one here, and this is where you would be getting the code as well that you could choose to do. But now this is where I could provide the credit card out here. So let me provide this credit card information to make the payment, and let me come back once the payment is done. Okay, so this is the page. You see the payment is successful. Your domain is purchased here. I just purchased this one, and these are the steps that would be proceeding. Where the domain is purchased, your environment would be created, and then we are going to be setting up your environment, setting up your SSL certificate, and you should be getting the credentials sent to the email. So this is kind of a little bit fast forwarded, but after a certain time you would be having these activities performed to receive the email. So let me now go to my inbox and check my email, and I should be getting both the email for the domain purchased as well as the WordPress website as well, where I can go and create on my own. I've received the email that my domain is completed, that the domain is purchased. And let me now go back and show that the other email that I would have got for the website that it is set up automatically. Now, this is where you see there's a very seamless experience that you would be kind of getting a website. You would be getting the username, password that you could go in and start building a website. And I'll go to the next one, the next package, where, because a lot of time, even if there's a drag and drop website builder, which is what this we are providing, but there could be that customers are not very tech savvy, and which is why we can help you at a very nominal price to build your website, ensure it is nice and performant, and do the necessary work. So let me get back to that, and I'll show you the other on the email of the website being created. This is the part. Now the email has come, and just keep in mind it does take a few minutes, because the domain registration, if it's a special domain like .net, it can take some time. So give it around, it could be as little as 5 minutes, because .com is pretty quick, but other domains can take longer as well, to the extent of even 30 minutes or probably an hour as well. So keep that in mind when expecting the email. But this is where you will get the email, and if you click on this link, you will see you're able to log into the WordPress. You have your user here, and all this is out of the box. It's kind of like a pretty quick setup. Instead of comparing you having to do anything else, you could go here. You have full admin access. You can go in, build your own website with your drag and drop website builder that is provided out of the box natively. So this is a pretty good option here. And if you go here, I have this CloudMySite.net. If I put here, I will be able to go and do the website iteration as well. In the next version, what we will be doing is we will also be adding AI to this setup, so that you could kind of, based on the AI, create the website pretty much on the fly. That is the next iteration that we are working on. But if you want a similar service as Hostinger or The Thing or other providers, you could come here and go about doing your processing. So this was one package, web hosting. The other one is, I just wanted to, based off the flow, web design hosting, where it is similar to the web hosting, but what we do is we will take care of ownership of your website development. We'll work with you. You can choose the plan. This is the website development fee. As you can see, it is very, very small, a nominal fee just for ensuring your website is nicely done. As you can see, it is this is where you could choose the plan. If I choose this option, you could choose the pricing, of course, right? The more better you go, your domain is going to be part of it, and the best pricing is what you're going to be getting. But you choose this, you come here, you provide your requirements, your name, email address, phone number, what is the business name, what is industry, why you need what kind of website you need. You could apply to here. Is there an existing website you have? We need to migrate. You could put over here. And this is where, what number of pages you want, as you could mention over here, what features you require, contact form, all these ones you could choose. Any color scheme or something you could just mention here. And few examples of websites you like, we could kind of use that as a reference. And what time to call, because once you submit this, our team is going to reach out to you with the architect and the technical team to understand your requirements. And accordingly, your website can be built at as little as 7 days. And we will be providing you the response back to you. So this is another option where if you don't want to build the website, we will go and build it for you. And we will maintain your website and ensure it is up and running smoothly. So last, I just wanted to talk about the domain. You can, if you don't want to do hosting, you just want to purchase domain because of the plethora of options we provide. I'll just show you that last service as of now. Okay, so here in the pricing, you can come back to simply domain. You click this. And this is the screen you will be brought back to. It looks similar and to the earlier one that we saw, where you can find a domain based on your setup, or you can search a domain as well. But also just wanted to show that you could see the list of domains over here, but we provide the most top level domains than what you can find elsewhere. Like if you see the breadth of domains we provide. I don't think anybody else can provide these many domains that you can come at for this cheaper price. So you could see the list of options that are there on YouCan and choose the options that are there. So we have around, I think, the most that anybody can provide. So you could choose this. You want to choose this, you could choose this domain here, and to mention the search over here, like which particular domain you want. And this is where you could see that, okay, I want to have, like, say, CloudMySite.today. If I do this one, you could kind of then click on this purchase. Obviously, you'd have to sign in, and you could provide the sign in and eventually check out, and your domain would be purchased. And any DNS mapping, that once your domain is purchased, you could have the mapping done. So I hope you are all going to share this new product of ours with your friends, family, and have this Thanksgiving pricing so that they can avail of this pricing, because the prices are going to go up after Thanksgiving, and since they are going to go back to the standard, the discount will no longer apply. You are going to get 100% cloud hosting compared to the other providers that have on-prem hosting, shared hosting. This is fully isolated. Your code, your application, your website is going to be on its own virtual private server on cloud with the backup, weekly backups if you have, based on the plan you choose, do the hourly as well. If you want to go with the premium pricing over here, this one is daily, weekly, this one is daily, this one is hourly. So you get the best features to be hosted on cloud with your own custom development at cloudmysite.com. Please like, subscribe, share your channel, drop in your feedback. Anything you find about the product that is sort of not good, and we'll definitely make it a point to incorporate it. Thank you and have a good day.